I think you need to be honest with yourself, first of all, what you can and cannot do, and you need to be very good communicator with your dispatcher in the office. Because it's a team effort to make things successful. You should never take loads, especially flatbed, that you don't have the securement devices or the knowledge how to secure. Some drivers get a little overconfidence and do things they shouldn't be doing, okay? Be honest with yourself, be honest with your dispatcher, and have good, really communication with the office. You will be a lot more successful, and it's better for C1 and you as a driver to be safe at all times. If you're on the road driving in bad weather, I call my dispatcher. I say, hey, look, I can't make it. It's snowing. It's not safe to go right now. Maybe I'll wait 2 or 3 hours until the plows come, and then I will deliver. They always say, yes, that's fine. Be safe. Don't get hurt. Other companies I worked at, you got to get there. You got to get there. And that's why you see so many accidents on the street, companies pushing their drivers towards. C1 is really safety conscious. This safety department only calls you if there's really a safety issue. If they see a car cut you off and you have to hit the brakes a little hard, they can review it. They see it wasn't your fault. They never even call you. They don't bother you because it's not your fault. Other companies call and yell at you when people are brake checking you. You know, C1 has been really polite. Like I said, this is the main thing about C1. Polite, professional, and very good communicating from the office. Very good. That's the #1 thing that's going to make this company more successful. And I do hope you guys grow, and I hope that I become more successful along with you. I appreciate you guys so much. I do honestly appreciate you guys.